Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need to confirm where space is used and stop inflow immediately. Open Drive Storage View and sort by size so you see the biggest offenders first. Once done, pause backup and sync or drive for desktop to prevent additional uploads from refilling Quota while you work. Now, select Top Large Files and Folders. This is the fastest way to free space because a few files often consume most of your quota. Make sure to keep an eye on Gmail and Photos usage as well. Next, act on the files you've identified. Permanently delete those in trash to actually free quota. Deletion only marks items until trash is emptied. For files you want to keep, move them to an external drive or another cloud account. Use Google Takeout or Drive's download/transfer tools for bulk moves. Compress videos and images, or convert uploaded Office/PDF files to Google native formats so they don't count against storage. Once complete, verify storage totals. Conversions and transfers often yield the big. Finally, choose a durable solution. If you need space immediately, purchase Google One Storage or join a shared plan. This resolves quota limits fast. Otherwise, confirm quota reduction in account storage details after deletions and transfers. Sometimes it updates instantly, other times within 24 hours. If numbers don't change, sign out and back in, clear Drive app cache, or reindex desktop client. These steps force a refresh. If problems persist, wait 1 day before repeating deletions, since backend cleanup can be delayed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.